Talisay Traffic, this is Motor Vessel Black Pearl, call sign Hotel 8 Romeo Sierra. We are inbound to port of Talisay, currently 3 nautical miles south of Buoy Alpha. Visibility is less than 0.5 nautical miles due to fog. Requesting traffic information and navigational assistance. Over.
Motor Vessel Black Pearl, this is Talisay Traffic. Roger, confirm your position as 3 nautical miles south of Buoy Alpha. Please advise your current course and speed. Over.
Talisay Traffic, Motor Vessel Black Pearl is on course 015 degrees, speed 12 knots. Over.
Motor Vessel Black Pearl, this is Talisay Traffic. Be advised, there is outbound traffic. Motor Vessel Flying Dutchman, a bull carrier, currently 2 nautical miles north of Buoy Alpha, heading southbound on course 195 degrees at 10 knots. Recommend you alter course to 030 degrees to maintain safe passing distance. Reduce speed to 8 knots. Over.
Talisay Traffic, this is Motor Vessel Black Pearl. Understood. Altering course to 030 degrees and reduce speed to 8 knots to avoid Motor Vessel Flying Dutchman. Over.
Motor Vessel Black Pearl, this is Talisay Traffic. Roger, maintain VHF watch on channel 16 and standby on channel 12 for further instructions. Report when abeam of Buoy Alpha. Over.
Talisay Traffic, this is Motor Vessel. Standby on channel 12 and will report when abeam on Buoy Alpha. Out.